Driving can be a very dangerous task. Seatbelts are the most effective safety device for preventing injury and death. They reduce the risk of crash injuries by 50%.
31 states, including Illinois, enforce seatbelt laws. This means that a policeman can stop a vehicle for failure to buckle up.
Put on your seatbelt.
No, it's okay. We're going right here.
Oh, yeah, right. No, I like the song. Stop. Stop. Put on your seatbelt.
Oh, okay.
Stop. Watch out! Oh, that was so close. Are you guys okay? Yeah. Okay. Are you okay? Yeah. Are those sirens?
Oh my god.
Our seatbelts. Put it on. Hurry, hurry.
Jammed.
Wait, I'm calm. Keep your ticket. I can't believe you got a ticket.
I know. I didn't even know you can get one for that.
You should just put on our seatbelts at all times.
Wearing a seatbelt is beneficial for the safety of you and others in the vehicle. It keeps you inside the car during collisions, which minimizes your chances of a fatal injury. It is also against the law to drive without a seatbelt.
Do not let the pressure of your friends influence you on whether you should or shouldn't wear a seatbelt, even when you know it is the right thing to do. So even when traveling a short distance,
Click your ticket. It can save your life.